How to withdraw money from Jetly. Hi everyone, this is Kid and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can withdraw money from Jetly. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into your account. You can access your Jetly account via the official website, that is jetly.zz, or you can simply use their mobile application. So once you're logged in, navigate to your account setting. For that, click on your profile icon and there you have to select account settings. So once you're done with that, in order to initiate your cash out, at the top of your account setting page under your account balance, there you have to click on cash out button. After that, you have to complete your identity verification. You must verify your identity using a valid government issued ID. And once you're verified, you can link a PayPal account. Currently, Jetly processes withdrawals via PayPal, so you have to ensure that your PayPal account is linked and verified. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your withdrawal amount. Input the amount that you wish to withdraw, and there you have to be aware of the minimum withdrawal limits that may apply. After that, in order to confirm and submit, you have to review the details and confirm the withdrawal. Funds will be transferred to your linked PayPal account subject to processing times and fees. So in this way, you can withdraw money from Jetly, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.